Hello guys, good afternoon and welcome back to Hot and Spicy Guyana. I hope you've all been well. Today I have a special guest with me, my mom, and we're going to be making some Spanish rice today. Mom, you want to tell them what ingredients you have?
We get some coloring and pepper and some shallot and carrot. What I just put in. And this I just make for Ashley special because Ashley love it and she come from school, she and she friends them. I just cook it for them and they just eat it, enjoy it.
This is one of the food that I loved, especially my friend Tara. She requested this video because she remembered coming home with me and eating it during our lunch breaks from school. We're gonna try and recreate those memories today in my kitchen. I hope you guys enjoy it and join along with me for this awesome recipe. So guys, my mom is prepping all of the ingredients that we need for the Spanish rice. First, she's washing off the carrot and the shallots and stuff, and then she's gonna chop it up and I'm gonna come back and show you guys what it looks like. These are all of the ingredients you need for the Spanish rice. We have 1 tin of corn, carrot, green onions, 4 flakes of garlic, some sugar, 1 bell pepper. We have some oil. You can use any oil of your choice. And then we have the Cool Runnings all-purpose seasoning, fried rice seasoning, and the Caribbean spice and roasted garlic seasoning. Also, we have 2 cups of white rice, and for this recipe, it's similar to fried rice, the same way you would cook the fried rice, but instead of adding your yellow coloring, what you're gonna add is some soy sauce for the fried rice. Now, the first step to making your Spanish rice is heating your pan with some oil. When that oil is heated, then you want to pour the rice that you've washed into that oil and let it patch for... My mom's correcting me. I'm saying patch. It's not patch. It's frying the rice. After frying the rice for about 5 minutes, you want to pour some water into your pot, and keep in mind you're gonna pour just about a little bit water so that it covers the rice. Not a lot, but just enough to cover the rice. So now after adding your water, you're going to pour your ingredients and coloring into the rice. My mom's adding the coloring now, the food coloring, and then she's gonna continue adding the other seasonings, and then she's gonna let this steam for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the water has evaporated from the rice and the rice is soft. Now that your rice is cooled down, your next step is adding the carrots, peppers, and green onions into a pan of heated oil so that it can fry and get softer. After doing this, then you're gonna add the rice and continue frying. And if you want, you can also taste to see if it needs more seasoning, and you can add some more seasoning to the rice as well. just so you get it to that desired taste. At this point, when you're putting the rice in, you want to turn your stove down on low so that it fries slowly and it doesn't burn. So there you have it, guys, the finished product. We're having some Spanish rice with baked chicken and baked potatoes. Now it's time for tasting. Tasha, you have to come here. How is it?
It's so good. It's amazing.
Okay, guys, now we're gonna have dinner. I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you guys want to learn how to make the baked chicken and baked potatoes, comment down below and let me know. Like, don't forget to share and subscribe as well. Thank you guys again and have a good night. Bye. Until next time.